Yo, so what it do, my people? It's your boy Chance Jolly, aka Smooth, back with another video. You know what time it is?
New shoes, new shoes. Boy, Nike makes some good shoes.
So we back with yet another one. This right here, FedEx package, man. Block my information out on the back, but let's get this out the way. Okay, this one right here, a little different than what I do on the channel, man. Well, kinda. It's a Nike, but this isn't one that I did a lot on the channel, man. So let's check this out. We've seen, I think Anthony Davis was the one that had these very early. So these coming out later in the year, I think people will very much enjoy these shoes, man. So the reverse Grinches. I don't have the originals, man. I don't have the original Grinches. I would have loved to have them. I tried whenever they dropped and stuff. No luck at all. But got these by way of forkick. So, man, appreciate them for sending these through, man. So, you see them. Check them out right there and stuff. Very, very light shoe. It's a low. I think there's going to be a head turner. They dropping, I want to say during the Christmas holidays, in a very Christmassy shoe. Green and red, definitely appropriate for the holidays. So you see it has like a dark hue on the top of the shoe, or maybe that's just the lighting and stuff, but it has like a little transition to it. Like it's dark and then it gets a lighter red towards the bottom. You see they have these vault laces on the top. It comes with the extra red laces. It will be a classy look, but I like, since these are the laces that it came with and stuff, man, and just the Grinches, you're used to seeing the Grinches with green and with the red laces. I like the different laces in them. Just brings the shoe out a little bit. Like the red laces it would be cool, but they would look very normal. Like, I like the eccentricity of the shoe with the vault laces in them. So go towards the back. They have this plastic right here. I'm pretty sure you know how the shoe is built if you are a fan of the Kobe's and stuff, man, because they are exactly like the Grinches, but just in a different colorway. They got that zoom towards the bottom, man, so that is going to be the technology. LeBron has taken, look like he is taking over the Kobe-esque technology in the shoes. Like his have like a very Kobe aesthetic, especially the 21s that are coming up. But you see the originals, the OGs, Kobe did his thing, man. Very light shoe, man. So I don't know if I'm gonna be hooping in these or just gonna be using these just for casual and stuff, man. You see the bottom of them, like, you know, shoes usually has like a herringbone or something like that. This has a very unique pattern at the bottom, man. A bunch of like circles and squiggles and stuff like that. But it seems like it would be tacky. Like, it seems like it would be. So check them out. Give them a little 360 right quick. You see the signature in the back of the shoe. Where is that? So right there and stuff. Got the Kobe symbol towards the tongue area and stuff. Very simple shoe, but very dope. I think the resale price for this is gonna be high. It's gonna be high. It's gonna be a hard shoe to get. It's gonna be a head turner. So if you have the chance to get these, or if you want them early, you want a different option, especially like forkick or something, and it's not bad if you're gonna be hooping them. So if you hit a company up like forkick or whatever, and like just to tear them up, that's a good option. If you just want to like hoop in them. Like if you are for collectible purposes or something, wait till the holidays, man. Try to enter your raffles, hit GOAT, StockX, and stuff like that. Spend your $600 or whatever. But if you want these like just to hoop in, or like to tear up on the court, or just to see them in hand, holla at a company like Forkicks, man. So I appreciate them sending these over. I want to see what these looking like on feet. I want to see what these feeling like. I'm gonna put them on feet right quick just to tell you like the sizing information. Oh, put them on feet, man. A very narrow shoe. Like the length of them, they pretty long. Like my toe is not towards the end of them, but I have a very skinny foot, and these are snug on my foot. If you have a fat foot, I would say probably don't even get them. But if you do have a fat foot and you love the Kobe line, you want these, I would say go up a whole size probably, because these are very, very narrow and on the foot. Like I'm pretty sure it'd be good for hooping and stuff. Like you are locked down, but just like casual and stuff, man, I can see my dogs probably barking after a while, because these are But we're gonna get to the on foot portion of the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Gonna be the greatest and the most hated. Holla at your boy.